Welcome to our deep dive into the structural investment landscape. Today, we dissect critical shifts across Indian equities and global macro trends, providing an institutional perspective on market dynamics. We will evaluate sectors and companies, identifying areas for breakout watch and instances warranting trim consideration, steering clear of speculative retail language. Our focus remains on long-term value drivers and risk assessments that shape portfolios in an evolving global economy. This comprehensive analysis will cover the emergent strength of Indian thematic infrastructure and the pervasive influence of global technological and geopolitical forces. Beginning our analysis with the Indian sector, an accelerating AI investment boom presents both profound opportunities and potential financial risks, as highlighted by the BIS. While India's digital transformation offers substantial growth avenues, the velocity of capital inflows into AI-centric ventures necessitates rigorous risk-adjusted due diligence from institutional allocators. The rapid scaling of AI applications across industries could elevate systemic financial exposures if not managed with prudent regulatory oversight. We are monitoring this space for underlying structural integrity amidst the technological fervor. This thematic shift forms a cornerstone of our Indian market outlook. Examining specific Indian equities, several names are demonstrating compelling structural narratives. Kotak Bank, for instance, represents a financial institution operating within a robust, growing economy, making it a breakout watch candidate as it consolidates below key overhead resistance, suggesting potential for significant positive volatility expansion. Concurrently, companies like Torrent Power and KEC International are critical to India's infrastructure development story, particularly within energy and engineering, procurement, and construction. Their performance often reflects the broader government thrust on capital expenditure and domestic demand, which are strong long-term structural drivers. These are key plays in India's infrastructure build-out. Continuing with the Indian equity landscape, the pharmaceutical and technology sectors also present notable dynamics. Aurobindo Pharma and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories are pivotal in the healthcare value chain, exhibiting resilience and growth driven by both domestic demand and export opportunities. Their structural positioning in generics and specialty drugs warrants continued observation. In the IT services domain, Persistent Systems showcases the enduring demand for digital transformation services. These entities are integral to India's economic diversification and competitive advantage in global knowledge industries. We view their continued operational efficiencies as crucial for sustained performance. Shifting to global macro and commodity structural trends, geopolitical instability in the Middle East continues to be a significant variable for energy markets. Recent reports of Iranian talks on hold following renewed conflict and threats of annihilation underscore the fragility of supply chains. This regional tension, exemplified by oil price jumps after a tanker incident, directly impacts global commodity prices and inflation trajectories. Investors should consider the potential for sustained elevated energy costs and the necessity for robust hedging strategies. Chevron's CFO insights confirm the persistence of these pricing pressures, making energy security a critical theme. The semiconductor industry remains at the epicenter of the AI revolution, presenting a formidable breakout watch for structural investors. NVIDIA-backed AI infrastructure stocks are poised for multi-bagger potential, trading at attractive valuations given their critical role. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing companies' rising monthly sales underscore the foundational demand for advanced chip production, while ASML Holdings' denial of EUV tool sales to China highlights the geopolitical dimensions of this vital sector. Micron Technology is also gaining attention as billionaires increasingly allocate capital to memory solutions. Applied Materials and Lam Research, integral to the chip fabrication ecosystem, are garnering bullish institutional sentiment, reinforcing the robust structural demand for their offerings. Intel, despite recent surges, requires a fundamental engineering revival to maintain its competitive stance in this intense environment. Beyond hardware, the AI software and design innovation space is experiencing rapid evolution. Piper Sandler's upgrade on Synopsys to overweight reflects the critical role of design automation in advanced chip development. Broadcom's strategic pivot towards organic AI development over acquisitions signifies a maturing market focusing on core innovation. Qualcomm's exploration of startup acquisitions suggests a drive to integrate novel AI capabilities, while Intel's separate AI bet achieving a significant valuation highlights diversification efforts. Furthermore, Baidu's AI chip unit Kunlunxin targeting a $50 billion Hong Kong IPO signals the expanding global footprint and capital market interest in AI-specific solutions, particularly from China, which is becoming a significant player in the AI innovation landscape. AI's integration into traditional industries is creating new structural investment avenues. Ford's experience, hiring veteran engineers to refine AI-driven quality control, demonstrates the nuanced human-AI collaboration required for industrial efficiency rather than outright replacement. In healthcare, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals is recognized among the best AI-powered healthcare stocks, leveraging advanced analytics for drug discovery. Veeva Systems, with its acquisition of Copley and launch of Falcon MLR, exemplifies AI's increasing penetration into life sciences and regulatory compliance. These applications show AI's transformative potential across diverse sectors, moving beyond pure technology companies to enhance operational capabilities. The healthcare and biotech sectors are undergoing significant structural shifts. RBC Capital's initiation of coverage on GE Healthcare Technologies signals robust interest in medical equipment innovation. Insmed, supported by Mizuho's outperform rating, continues to advance in biopharmaceuticals. Dexcom's progress in glucose biosensing for all exemplifies the drive towards accessible health technologies. Stryker's launch of the TPX HD Power Tool highlights advancements in surgical devices, while Danaher is recognized as a top non-tech stock by analysts, reflecting strength in life sciences and diagnostics. Legal outcomes, such as Johnson & Johnson beating a talc lawsuit and Natera's successful appeal rejection, also influence risk assessments within the sector. Furthermore, China's emergence as a leader in drug innovation, as noted by Pfizer, reshapes global competitive dynamics. HCA Healthcare, despite recent price target cuts, maintains bullish sentiment regarding its operational strength. Private market dynamics, especially around space exploration and cutting-edge AI, represent a significant frontier. SpaceX's valuation surpassing NVIDIA in long-term outlook signals institutional confidence in the burgeoning space economy. The accessibility of private companies like SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic through public 401(k) index funds underscores a blurring line between public and private asset classes, offering new avenues for exposure to high-growth, albeit high-risk, ventures. The former Nasdaq CEO's insights into SpaceX's make-or-break tests serve as a reminder of the inherent volatility and execution risk within these transformative enterprises, necessitating a trim consideration if market sentiment shifts or operational milestones are missed. This sector demands a long-term strategic allocation. The energy transition and utilities sector continue to evolve with long-term structural agreements. Constellation Energy's nuclear power purchase agreement with Walmart highlights the corporate drive for clean, reliable energy sources. This trend signifies a broader shift towards decarbonization and diversified energy portfolios. Concurrently, the proposed $5.5 billion deal for Momentum Midstream by Williams indicates ongoing consolidation and investment in energy infrastructure, particularly in natural gas midstream assets. These movements reflect foundational changes in energy production, distribution, and consumption, creating stable, long-term investment profiles for utility and infrastructure investors. Newmont Corporation's update following a seismic event reminds us of operational risks inherent in commodity extraction. Finally, we consider broader macroeconomic indicators and capital market trends. Money market account rates for June 2026 suggest a forward view on interest rate expectations, influencing asset allocation across fixed income and equities. The comparison of intermediate-term bond ETFs like Vanguard's VCIT and Ishares IEI becomes crucial for managing duration risk in fluctuating rate environments. Bond heavyweights targeting market sweet spots in a new Varsh era indicate strategic positioning for anticipated monetary policy shifts. The New Zealand dollar facing headwinds underscores global growth divergence. Private credit's role in propping up U.S. consumers is a key, breakout watch area, potentially signaling underlying economic fragility or resilience. Even megacaps like Alphabet experiencing pullbacks offer breakout watch opportunities for long-term investors assessing fundamental value. The ongoing demand for protein in America, outstripping dairy supply, reflects persistent inflationary pressures within consumer staples, prompting a trim consideration for companies facing supply chain constraints or extreme near-term overbought cycles.